Yeah, if there's no purple, I like... If there's no red, I like purple. Oh my gosh, she is so thick, y'all. Exactly like you. Not even me, you. Y'all think I'm thick? You have to see how thick she is. I'm loving it though. Ooh. About to vocals. This smells really, really good, guys. I appreciate y'all again for sending. But I'm for sure hella thick. My phone? No idea. Oh. Yum. You're so delightful. This is no place to go. Isn't it? It's grapefruit. Grapefruit scent, dice. Grapefruit. Thank you so much. You're right. Where you at, bitch? Here we go. My chat. They have don't you love fighting powder? I think it was the pineal that just like hit it off even more. Don't y'all think? Y'all tapping? Tap as fast as you. Gorgeous. Fuck around and find out. Got it. Damn, that one's splashing my face. I apologize for my old epoxies, but some people love them. I'm like neutral about it. This is cute. Okay, Hey! You on? Thank you guys. Y'all like me? Let's do the rainbow. Do you believe in love after love? I can see something. I went to Pride once and that's all they played, y'all, was Cher. So I got home and I was obsessed with fucking Cher. That's all I kept singing. Been Blondie. Thanks. You're pretty. Girl, I'm gonna get rid of this. Look at her. Help. Whoops. Right? You're all laid out Starfish Patrick style and he's like, oh, no. Bitch, what the fuck did I come here for? Look at these colors. I express my love with colors for my clean talk. I love it. But let me just stop, cause thank you. His dick's smaller than my toes. $1. I'd rather have Squidward's nose. Thank you. I have to have perfect paste. It's all gray. Your mother. I want it to be a really cute white. That's why. I feel like I've done it a few times and it looks so good. I'm just craving it. The cans, yeah. Because I did how much makeup powder already? Thanks, Big Meek. Yeah, remember? I feel like Mondays I can be on for like ever. God, no, girl. Alright, guys, last call. Thanks, Noti. Last call, last call. I have one charisma left, but if not, I'm gonna smooth this out. Give you some squeezes. No, that was the first thing to leave and sell out. Y'all love me with my cans. Yes. Yeah, I have one charisma. It's like the big bag. Yeah, charisma. Named after you. She will. Ta-da! I appreciate you guys. Let me grab her. Let's do this. Y'all heard her. Thank you, Lucero. Let's add it. With these crumbs, it's gonna look cute, trust. Thank you guys. It smells so good. Ooh. Yes, thank you so much. I was just kidding. I just saw you join. That's why I said that. No, but yeah, Tuesdays I do not go live. They're actually like the worst days for me. That and Saturdays. Do you love it? Me too, bitch. And I imagine all the overloads we're gonna plan together. Look at the epoxy. Think what we can do together. Pull who? Oh yeah, Spin Junkie, I just got this at Home Depot. What do you think? Do we love her? Do we hate her? Cause I love her, bitch.